Today's wine text is Pecchenino 2013 Bussia Barolo. So Barolo, 100% Nebbiolo from, debatably, some people say Barbaresco is their favorite style, but Barolo is the big boy and known to be the #1 region in the world when it comes to Nebbiolo. Pecchenino is a super small production. They don't make a lot of the wine. It's all hand picked, all hand sorted, completely sustainable style winery. They don't make anything over a couple hundred cases of wine, which is really special, and it shows that the care that they put into these wines. The two main aspects that makes this Barolo different from maybe other Barolos that you've had, especially in this price point, because the one aspect of it you never find, is first the vintage. 2013 has been the best vintage in the last recent years. I think 14s and 15s are good, but I think 2013s are where the collectors and everyone else is reaching out and trying to get as much as they can because they know these wines are going to last a long time. The second most important part about this wine is Bussia. So if you're not familiar with Bussia, it's a vineyard within Monteforte in the Alba of Barolo, where some of the most sought after and the most, the best grapes of Barolo are found. This vineyard has so many different microclimates and so many different aspects that make it different than anywhere else in Barolo that only the best winemakers can get their hands on the grapes, and these guys just happen to be one of them. Nebbiolo is by far one of the most age-worthy wines in the world. The sharp tannins, while the wine is actually pretty light in color, there's a massive aggression of sharp tannins and a lot of acidity. Nebbiolo and most Italian red wine grapes have a ton of acidity, which is what allows the grapes to, or the wines to age a very long time. I think Wine Spectator puts this wine at around like 2045 is the end of the drinking period. But if kept right, this wine can last another 10, 15 years after that, which is pretty incredible, especially for the price you guys are going to pay to be able to buy something, taste it now, taste it every 5 years for the next, 60 years if you wanted to, if you bought a case, which is really cool. So yeah, really cool Barolo. At this stature, you'll never find at this price, and it really is a steal, and you guys will love it. Enjoy.